In this video, Troy's riding his first gravel race in the Chainbuster Scratch Ankle 30-miler.
Hey everybody, here I am at the Scratch Ankle race here in Milton, Florida. This is an annual race that they have that Chainbusters puts on, and this is my first time to race in over 30 years. When I was in college, I used to race bikes for fun, road bikes, and I haven't been in a race since. Now that Andrew and I have been riding bikes for a couple of years, I feel like I'm in a little bit better shape. I know these roads out here. I've got some friends, and so we'll see what happens. I'm just want to finish the race. This is an achievement thing for me. So if this thing stays together and I finish the race, I'll be happy. But it's pretty exciting. We're starting to see some of the racers starting to gather up. We probably got about a half hour or so before we get ready to start. And I'm going to be doing the 30 miles. There's a 30 mile and a 60 mile. I don't feel like I'm quite up to the 60 mile yet. So I'm going to do 30 miles. It's a mixture of gravel and asphalt. It's chunky, sandy, so it ought to be quite interesting. We'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna have this on. Hopefully you'll be able to see some of it, and just wish me luck.
The start flags, right? Not to the gravel, but to the start flags.
All right, here we are. Troy's group is lining up now. How you feeling, Troy?
Feeling pretty good. So this is the short course group. The long course group with Billy and Chris and all them already rolled out, which was pretty cool to watch them. I'm sure they're on the gas right now. But so here we are, about 9:15, fixing to start the short course, and I'm excited. They say there's going to be a lot of water, so we've had a lot of rain. So we'll see how that goes. So 3 minutes to start. Here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm about 9 miles in, and man, lots of hills, punchy hills. We're still on the lower half of the course. We got to get on the north side of Highway 4, coming up here pretty soon. Woo! I've been pushing pretty hard. A lot of fast guys out here, and so I'm kind of in the back of the pack. Anyway, we'll keep pushing.
to hit mile marker 25. About to come back on Paul Barnes Road. I've done the northern loop, and now I'm about to close the bottom loop. 5 miles to the finish line. I'm just glad I made it this far. Woo! But it's been fun so far. Definitely a workout and a challenge. So here's to the last 5 mile push. I hope it's all downhill. Here we are, back at the start line. Woo! I feel like just doing that is an accomplishment. So we got, hopefully, just a little less than a mile to go. Let's see how it goes. Oh. Right here? Yeah, single track. I think I see the finish line up ahead. Oh, that's a little bit of sand. And there is the finish. My first race in 30 years. Unbelievable.
How was it? You did it, honey. You did it. And I think you're in like the top 50.
All right, so I can't believe it. I finished my first race in over 30 years, 30 miles. I didn't know if I was going to make it, but those last several miles finally started clicking off. I'll tell you, my butt hurts, my legs hurt, everything hurts. I'm just glad to finish. Old Trusty Jones did his job, and so I'm very thankful. So I'm very happy.